Thousands of cats are dying.
Actually,
each year.
This video is for Odyssey.
Oh, what? Okay, I gotta get into the mood. Thousands of cats. Oh, sorry. So, Odyssey of Mind. What's it about?
It's a problem-solving competition. You're trying to get to World Finals.
Oh, yeah. So, we need to raise... How much money?
$10,000.
$10,000. We need to raise $10,000 to go to World Finals. Yeah. But that money won't be coming from the trees all around me. I am at nature. They shall be coming from your own pockets, you hopeless consumers. And did you know that when you spend that money, you are saving another cat's life? Each penny saving.
Cats are not going to get any of the money that the Odyssey team uses for World Finals. It's all going to go to them going to World Finals.
Oh, great. Well, wait till I tell that to PETA.